Two more questions.
Okay.
The last time I was able to interview you, you were pregnant with my awesome grandson. And I asked you if you could say something to him, what would it be? And you had a very powerful message. So now he's here, and the world is not ready for him. He is just that awesome. He can't. Maybe he does. What would you? What could you? What would? If something can be said to him in the future, where he can look back and go through his granddaddy videos and see his mama and understand that he is in the background playing the piano and causing the fuss.
Literally.
What message would you have for King Salem?
Almost a similar message, like don't let the world affect who you are and who you called to be. Like, don't let the weight of life affect you from living in this freedom and having peace, bro. Like, stuff gonna happen in life. You're gonna have obstacles. The car gonna break down. You might be short. You might have a bad breakup. You might lose a friendship. The job might not come through. You might not get accepted. But just you gotta have a level of peace within yourself, self. Yeah, and be a great bro. You can do whatever you want to do in this world. Whatever you want to be, go for it. Mommy and daddy is here to support you. And yeah, if I messed up, I'm sorry. I'm just trying my best.
Okay, one more question. So you have a person who thinks that you're a freaking superhero and a rock star, and that is your little sister Summer. If you could say something to her during her trials and tribulations, or even her triumph, what would you say to her?
I can't cuss.
You can if you want to.
I'm still working on cussing.
Okay.
Bruh, you are the shit. And I'm being so for real. Like, not saying it because you like my little sister, but bro, you literally carry something that words can't even express. And it's not because you're super mature. It's not because you have wisdom at your age. It's something on your life that's just nothing that you go through can rub it off. And don't allow your friendships that you encounter throughout your younger years and you grow up to affect or change who you are. Down to your confidence, down to who you are, just authentically. Like, just be you, bro. But I'm telling you, she'll realize it way, way, way before I did. She'll see it how, like, bro, you walk in the room, you I'm telling you, all eyes on you, because just your aura, what you carry, just who you are, like, you just different. I can't even explain it. You just are. Walk in it.
One more. Well, I can't really say one more. This is what I no, I'm gonna